Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to download and install Microsoft Project. Let us begin and follow the steps. First, you need to open your browser, search for Office Customization Tool, click on the first link. Here choose your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. I will leave 64-bit. Scroll down. Here, select Project Professional 2021 Volume License. Scroll down. Press Next. Select your language. I would choose English United States. Next. Next again. Switch this off. Press Next. Here, as you can see, it included the key license. Next. Next again. Finish. After you set up your configuration, then export it. Accept the license. Now open a new tab. Write Office Deployment Tool. Select the first link. Download. Now our deployment tool is downloaded. Open the folder. Add a new folder. Name it Project 2021. Get these two files. Paste inside the folder that you just created. Okay. Right click on this. Run as administrator. Accept the license. Now select the folder that you just created. All files are extracted. Back to the folder. Cut it and paste in C drive. Write CMD here. Command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Write CD space C backslash folder name. Enter. Type setup space slash configure configuration .xml. Press enter. Now Microsoft Project is going to download and install. Once your project starts installing, you would see a window like this. Now our project is downloaded successfully. Close this. Let us open. This is our Microsoft Project Professional. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.